it's Wendy. Welcome to another travel diary / travel vlog. This time we are in Chicago. I'm going to be spending the weekend here with my best friend Cheyenne, who you've seen in many of my travel vlogs before. This is actually my first time in the city. I'm super excited because I've always heard really positive things about Chicago, but I don't actually know much about the city and what it has to offer. So I'm super excited to be able to get to know the city more this weekend. On our way to brunch.
So we did a quick stop at Starbucks to get some grande waters. It's really, really warm in Chicago right now. It's like 80, 90 degrees and super sunny. So we were out at Millennium Park exploring, but it was way too warm, so we had to come into a Starbucks and cool down. We're gonna go back out and look at the bean. I've never seen the bean, I'm super excited. And then we're gonna head to the art studio afterwards. And also the rosé. How much coffee done? Thank you. Hey guys, so it's the last day of Chicago. We haven't really been doing a lot of talking clips this trip. We've just honestly been having so much fun. And it's been super hot, so I tried to pull out the camera as few times as possible on this trip. I didn't want to overheat. But right now we are at Little Bit Diner, which is recommended to me by my friend Kathy. She went to Chicago here, so she knows a lot of food restaurants. Today we're going to be going to the Garfield Conservatory, 3 Arts Cafe, which is a cute food cafe place, and then we're going to be headed home. But yeah, we've really enjoyed Chicago so far. I'm actually very pleasantly surprised. I had visited one of my friends from college yesterday and just basically told her that I'm so happy that she's in a city like this. It's just really vibrant and also chill, people are really friendly, great food, great sights.
It's been really fun. I'm glad when we got to see the city for the first time. When I first came here too, like I wasn't really expecting much because I don't know, I've only been like to the East or West Coast. I haven't been to the Midwest. So I was like kind of hesitant, but I was really pleasantly surprised when I came 2 summers ago. So I'm glad Wendy had the same exact experience.